everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bharti and this is the episode 1 of Diwalog series. So आज से लेकर दिवाली तक there is going to be a new video on my channel. So please stay tuned, and in this video we are going to be doing a question answer section. So मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछा था आप लोगों से इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी, एंड मुझे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं. सो बेसिकली मेरे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको मैंने 2 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया है. सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्टली मुझसे पूछे गए हैं अबाउट यूट्यूब, अबाउट व्हाट आई डू एंड समथिंग पर्सनल एक्सेट्रा. And the second, most of the questions were related to my brother. So my brother is the core of this channel, which is called as Bharti Narang. He is the man who's behind the scenes helping me. So a lot of you know him via my vlogs, and उसके friends ने and मेरे viewers ने बहुत सारे questions उसके लिए पूछे हैं. So we are going to be covering that also. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have all the questions with me on my phone. फटाफट से इसको आंसर करते हैं. So the first question is by Naveen Chandwani. What exactly you are doing apart from YouTube? Thank you, Naveen, for asking the question. And how are you doing? Do let me know in the comments below. So Naveen, I do a lot of things apart from YouTube. First being anchoring. I am an anchor, MC, host, whatever you call. I do weddings, corporates, school annual functions, and get-togethers. I host those events. I really like to be in front of stage, being with my audience and having that stage wala feeling and mic pakadne wala feeling and mazedar feeling. So anchoring is really close to my heart. That's what I do. Second, I do teaching. I really like teaching. It's more of a hobby. I take classes of CBSE and ICSE students. I have also taught SSC and engineering students in the past. Third, I have my own digital marketing and tech-based agency. So we are into digital marketing and tech-based /IT solutions. Our company name is Clutch Media. So ये मोटा मोटा सा है जो मैं काम करती हूँ apart from YouTube. Moving further, Anil Rao is asking, what's your favorite Diwali memory of all time? As such तो favorite Diwali memory नहीं है, but I remember in school मैं फटाके तो फोड़ती नहीं थी, and दिवाली में सब तो आते थे घर पे, वैसा होता था. But there was this one Diwali I remember, मैं टेरेस पर थी, मैंने कॉर्ड्स लगाए हुए थे and मैं अपना रेडियो मिर्ची सुन रही थी 98.3 FM. I used to listen to radio while I was school, and I used to, वो रेडियो बस याद आ गया मुझे. वो दिवाली ऐसी थी कि एकदम स्काई में एकदम ऐसे पटाखे फूट रहे हैं, द स्काई इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई एम लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो एंड माय फेवरेट RJ एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, सो नीलेश Harjani is asking, what cracker do you like to burst on Diwali? Nope, I don't burn crackers as such. I do not, and I don't encourage also. Please पटाखे मत जलाओ. At least अभी तो मत ही जलाओ यार. We know what all is happening, and we're educated people, good people. So why do we want to burst patakas? Instead, be a pataka this Diwali rather than burning a pataka. Anyways, moving further. Sakshi Bungade is asking, how are you so creative and interesting? आपको लगता है मैं क्रिएटिव हूँ और आपको ये भी लगता है मैं इंटरेस्टिंग हूँ. Thank you first of all for the compliment. I am creative because I like to create. I don't like to be in a box, and I like to do different things, and I also like to do things differently. And interesting, your interest and my interest match, so that's a good thing. And मेरी एक स्टूडेंट है पलक, बहुत नटखटी है. सो उसने मुझे 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं. ओके पलक, देखो मैं क्लास में मिलूंगी, रुक जा बेटा, बट ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करने दे. क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? पलक, नहीं मेरे टूथपेस्ट में नमक नहीं है. तेरे टूथपेस्ट में नमक है क्या? एंड पलक इज ऑल्सो आस्किंग, भीम की चड्डी धूम क्यों मचाती है? ये तो भीम से जाके पूछना पड़ेगा ना, मैं तो भीम नहीं हूँ. ओके, एंड वी हैव 4 questions by this person who is Lalwani Nick. He's asking, he's telling actually, not asking. I also made vlogs, but I haven't posted. Now seeing you since such a long time, I'm gonna post. That's a wonderful thing. I'm grateful that I can inspire you and motivate you to put your vlogs on YouTube. Do that. Thanks for inspiring, because I was like, उल्लासनगर में कौन interested होगा? यार उल्लासनगर में इंटरेस्टेड हो ना हो लोग, तुम जब तक क्रिएट करो ना, जब तो जब तक तुम में क्रिएशन का जज्बा है तब तक there is no end to the world. Sky is the limit, my darling. And the Libra girl Zero. Hi Deepa, she's a fellow YouTuber. A huge shout out to her. So Deepa is one such strong girlfriend of mine who is always there. So she's asking, how do you manage your time? Deepa, तुझे पता है I have lot of issues while managing my time, while managing a lot of things. But I try to do that. I actually that boho girl का वीडियो में मैंने देखा था. कृतिका was saying that दिन में ना 3 चीजें prioritize कर लो, वो 3 चीजें करनी है, इतना कर लो बस. उतना मैंने अपना लिया. I write my day, मुझे ये करना है. Top 3 चीजें जो करनी है, make sure that you do it and I'm sorted. This is the tip that I follow and I think you should follow it too. Okay. So Priyal _1202 is asking, momos or soya chop? Tough. Momos or soya chop? I think momos. Anytime momos actually. Soya chop bhi. No, but momos, yeah. Momos. Okay. And then ये जो सारे questions थे ना, ये मैंने story में पूछा था. वो जो डब्बा डालते हैं ना Instagram पे. I had asked you guys on the story and I had put up a post also. वो post में भी काफी सारे questions आए थे. So I'm going to take the questions from the post now. TANBXX25 is asking, why does our brain recall all the bad thoughts? Why we can't stop thinking over anything that has a bad mark in our past stories? See, I am assuming that your name is Tanvi, so I'll address you by that. What happens is, na Tanvi, our entire body is made up of memories. The face that you have, the body that you have, the internal parts, the external parts, etc. that you have is made of memory. It's called as genetic memory. Heard of DNA, RNA? So just imagine, एक human being का जो what do we say? Human being का जो composition है, that is made up of memory. वो memory ही नहीं होगी तो हमारी शक्ल नहीं होगी, हम अपने माँ बाप पर नहीं दिखेंगे. तो coming to the point, I understand what you're asking. So see, I know कि bad thoughts हम भूल नहीं पाते, bad चीजें हम भूल नहीं पाते. Fair enough, I know. But try to give your brain new memories. Try to give your brain new fragrances. For me, एक scented candle, एक scented atmosphere or fragrance calms me down, soothes me down. I relate my memories with fragrances. This is one thing. So I make new memories for myself, and जब भी पुरानी memory आए ना, let it just pass through. उस पे focus मत करो. Just tell yourself this will also pass. This shall pass and this will pass. It takes years and years of self-love, healing, etc. to become a strong person, to become a self-loving person. So please walk on that journey. Please do that. Okay. Tanvi is also asking how to fight anxiety and the depression on day-to-day basis. Talk to people. I think talk to your friends, talk to your parents, seek help. And if you think that बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, please seek professional help. Please look for therapy, look for healing. Please seek professional help. And next I have Megha Vaswani. Megha Vaswani 1905. So Megha is a dear friend. I really love her. We are school friends. And she's asking, what keeps you motivated to keep doing more and more? I think you motivate me, Megha. Your stories motivate me. Like, तू जो अपनी स्टोरीज पर डालती रहती है, and I'm like, oh, Megha can do this. Megha is doing this. मुझे भी ऐसा करना है. So I think I get inspired a lot from the way in which you represent a feminine power. I always look up to you as how you have or you are dealing with your married life and taking care of your responsibilities and your career. Dude, hats off to you. And Dhiren, of course. So people like you motivate me, and I think I really want to do big in life, and I just want to be on the journey where I can grow. And also I want to do something कि ऐसा मुझे करना ना लाइफ में जो मेरे फैमिली में, मेरे सराउंडिंग्स में किसी ने ना किया हो. आई नो कि आई एम ब्रेकिंग ऑल द स्टीरियोटाइप्स. आई हैव डन everything which my parents would have never imagined, and I'm still doing it, and I'm still fighting, and I want to create a platform for all the women And since we belong to Sindhi community, we know how difficult it is. Since we belong to Sindhi community, we know कि Sindhi families में क्या difficulties होती हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि कम से कम हम ऐसा कुछ करें ना कि एटलीस्ट हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियों को, आने वाली लड़कियों को कुछ एकदम ऐसे रुकावट नहीं होनी चाहिए. We should be the ones who are fighting right now so that our future is better. Not only Sindhi community women, but every Indian woman, every woman in the country, world, etc. So वो चीज़ है, मुझे ऐसा करना है कुछ. एंड आई नो कि मैं वो जर्नी पर हूँ. दिल्ली बहुत दूर है, बट स्टेप 1 is what is there. So presenting Nikhil Narang in front of you guys. So तेरे लिए बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं और मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस तेरे फ्रेंड्स ने पूछे हैं और बाकी क्वेश्चंस मेरे व्यूअर्स ने पूछे. तुझे कैसा लग रहा है?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने अपने दोस्तों को ही बोला मेरे लिए क्वेश्चंस पूछो और दीदी के लिए भी क्वेश्चंस पूछ लो इधर.
अच्छा, ऐसे सबसे पहले मम्मी पापा मारेंगे अगर ये क्वेश्चन उनको पता चला. साक्षी तलरेजा इज आस्किंग हु इज निखिल्स गर्लफ्रेंड.
Nikhil's girlfriend is from another nation, that is imagination.
Okay.
तो मैं सिंगल हूँ, मैं बचपन से सिंगल हूँ, मेरे को एक भी लड़की नहीं मिली आज तक.
Okay, ठीक है. Sakshi Talreja is asking me again, what do you think about your brother? She's asking me, I think he's really cute, he's really helpful, and if you find his girlfriend, let me know. Okay, so Mohit Gind is asking, hi Mohit, I hope you're doing well.
अरे माँ भैया कैसन बा?
He's asking, निखिल क्या करता है जब भी आप व्लॉग्स बनाते हो? तो निखिल बिहाइंड द सीन होता है, मुझे परेशान करता है, हेल्प भी करता है, एंड बेसिकली सारा जो फिजिकल काम होता है एक व्लॉग शूट करने के लिए वो निखिल करता है. निखिल व्लॉग बनाने में मदद करता है या सिर्फ तंग करता रहता है पूरा दिन? बता.
देख, भाई बहन है तो तंग तो करेंगे एक दूसरे को. बाकी जब भी व्लॉग बनाती है तभी ये ना बहुत ऐसा कॉन्शियस हो जाती है, तो फिर इसको नहीं पसंद आता है कि कोई इसको तंग करे, तो फिर मैं चुप करके बैठा रहता हूँ, जैसा बोलती है वैसा करता हूँ.
अच्छा, ऐसे. Okay. So these were a few questions that were directed to him, and it was pleasure having you on board on my channel on Front Screen. Always. Thank you so much. I will see you soon.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Go. Bye.
Go. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the Vlog series coming away super duper soon. I'll see you same time tomorrow on the same channel. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.